Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling the keyboard's microphone and selecting voice typing as your input method. This unlocks real-time recognition. Once done, make sure permissions allow audio capture so the app can process speech. Speak purposefully and slightly slower than normal. That helps accuracy. If the keyboard offers language packs or offline models, download them now so recognition works without data. These first steps get you into a live dictation session quickly and reduce common permission or language mismatches. Now focus on dictation technique, which directly affects output quality and editing speed. You should speak punctuation as commands, say comma or period, to place marks without touching the screen. When the keyboard mishears a word, tap the suggested options or say a correction command to swap it quickly. This prevents long redo sessions. Also, break complex thoughts into short clauses and pause briefly so the engine processes each segment. This improves accuracy and timing for faster review. To finish, proofread your transcription for homophones, numbers, and spacing, and use touch edits for precise fixes. This is faster than redictating. Then paste or export your text into the target app and confirm capitalization and numeric formats like 1/2 or 3. 5. If recognition is poor, restart the keyboard, clear its cache, or re-download the voice model. That resolves most glitches. Finally, test in a quiet spot to verify the fix. You'll notice immediate improvement in accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.